Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best bathroom medicine cabinet with mirror and lights, the KWW Inch LED lighted bathroom medicine cabinet with mirror. This sleek and modern cabinet not only adds style to your bathroom but also brings functionality and convenience to your daily routine. Measuring 32 inches wide and 28 inches high, this cabinet is designed to fit seamlessly on your bathroom wall. It's crafted from durable materials like aluminum and glass, ensuring a sturdy build that stands the test of time. The design features two mirrored doors which provide a dual perspective. When closed, you have a smooth, reflective surface. And when opened, another set of mirrors inside for a comprehensive grooming view. One of the standout features is the LED lighting system. The cabinet offers 3 different color temperatures ranging from warm to natural to cool white light, allowing you to adjust the mood and brightness to your liking. Whether you want a soft glow in the morning or bright light for makeup application, this cabinet adapts to your needs with ease. The lighting is also dimmable, giving you full control over the ambiance. Another practical element is the anti-fog function. After a hot shower, mirrors can get fogged up, but with the built-in defogger, your reflection remains clear without any hassle. This feature is especially handy for busy mornings when every minute counts. Inside, the cabinet provides ample storage space with 2 glass shelves dividing the interior. The capacity is about 11.5 gallons, so you can neatly organize your toiletries, medicines, and grooming essentials without cluttering your countertop. Additionally, the cabinet comes equipped with a power outlet and USB port, making it easy to charge your electric toothbrush, shaver, or phone right where you get ready. Installation is straightforward with clear instructions, and the cabinet comes well packaged to protect it during shipping. If you ever encounter alignment issues with the doors due to transportation, you can easily adjust the hinges yourself. In summary, the KWW LED lighted bathroom medicine cabinet with mirror offers a blend of modern aesthetics, functional lighting, anti-fog technology, and generous storage. It's perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their bathroom with a smart, stylish, and practical mirror cabinet. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insightful product reviews. See you next time.